Understanding Jibber's Delight, an English language learning guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English phrase, Jibber's Delight. This phrase might sound quirky and unusual, but it's a great example of the richness and creativity of the English language. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, Jibber's Delight, is not a common English idiom and doesn't have a widely recognized meaning in standard English. However, for the purpose of this video, let's imagine it as a playful expression. We can break down the phrase into two parts. 1. Jibber. This could be a playful take on the word gibber, which means to speak rapidly and unintelligibly, almost like babbling. 2. Delight. This word means great pleasure. So, Jibber's Delight could hypothetically mean a joy found in playful, nonsensical talk. It's a phrase that invites creativity and a sense of fun in language. Even though Jibber's Delight is not a standard phrase, it can be fun to use in informal settings. Here are a few examples. The kids were an absolute Jibber's delight during their playtime, making up words and laughing. Sometimes, after a long week, there's nothing better than a Jibber's Delight session with friends. Remember, since it's a playful and non-standard phrase, it's best used in casual and friendly contexts. English is a language that welcomes creativity and playfulness. By understanding and inventing phrases like Jibber's Delight, you not only learn the language but also engage with it creatively. This approach can make learning English enjoyable and unique to your personal experiences. I hope this video has been both informative and enjoyable, showing you the fun side of English language learning. Remember, language isn't just about rules and structure. It's also about expression, creativity, and joy. Keep exploring, and enjoy your own Jibber's Delight moments in English.